Fatima, this is amazing. I know, it's amazing, it's wonderful. It's amazing, it's wonderful, I can't believe it. I know, I did so good with my credit card. Yes, you did awesome with your credit card. Hello there. I did awesome with my credit card. I like shopping, in case you hadn't noticed. She found something amazing. So let's jump right on in. Oh yes, let's go. This is awesome. Hopefully this is not going to blind everybody. I found something on Huda Beauty that is a mystery bag. And the bag is just as amazing as what came in it. Yes, the bag is a travel makeup kit. And this thing was stuffed full. And it has a nice little hook. And then there are several containers, this side and this side. And if Anne's arm can reach high enough, there's packaging spaces on this side. And on the other side, there is room for brushes. Amazing. I am in awe. Oof. Oof. You'd think I'd never seen a makeup travel bag before. But that one is amazing. Yes, and there's more amazing stuff that came in it, like the free samples, which came in their own separate Ziploc pouch that, although just, I think, a temporary plastic, it does look like it could be reusable. I know, I'm talking like I've never seen a free sample before in my life, but most boxes just toss them in there and that's that. These samples came in their own padded Ziploc bag. Isn't that cute? And we are just noticing here with the ring light that the little padded parts are in the shapes of hearts. Too stinkin' cute. One thing we learned is that Huda Beauty owns and operates the company Wishful. I've used some Wishful cleansers before, and I did not realize they were part of Huda Beauty. They are. These are the two fun samples. Yes, this is the Wishful Yo Glow and the Wishful Thirst Trap Juice. We have an under eye fat for eye lift and contour, and Thirst Trap face mask, and chin lift mask. I didn't know there was such a thing as a chin lift mask. And heaven knows I kind of could use it a little bit. There is a rose oil. This is for moisturizing and evening out your tone. I've taken a little sniff of it. It does smell like roses, yet it's not an overpowering scent like you're being attacked by a giant rose. So I'm definitely excited for this as well. This box is very exciting. I mean this bag. We have Wishful Yo Detox. And this is containing pineapple and papaya, AHA and BHA, witch hazel, and charcoal. So I'm excited for a variety of reasons, not only to get to try it, but this will then be a contender in a series that I'm doing elsewhere on my channel. Check out the playlist for the Battle of the Facial Cleansers, because this one will show up in there. So we are halfway through the makeup bag of items, and we are most excited for the rose oil and for the Wishful Detox. Comment below. What have you seen so far that has you excited? And now, moving along with the rest of this video, we have the Carmen number 9 false eyelashes. I'm not a false eyelash person, although I honestly do think that if I were to try these, I might be sporting a look kind of like Fatima. I like my eyelashes. I like your eyelashes too. I'm just not sure that's quite my style. So these will probably wind up in a Find a Future Home box. But I will say, they are wild. Just like me. And sassy too. This is a matte lipstick. It's in the shade Game Night. This is something that is darker than what I know I would use. So this will find its way into the Find a Future Home box. This is the alluring lip gloss or lipstick. It's a little more red than what I usually would use, and I already have some red lipsticks and things open, so this will probably wind its way into Find a Future Home, but I will say that is a nice red color. These are some liquid eyeshadows. This is in the shade VIP, and this is very similar to a shade that I just received in another box, so this is definitely going to go into the Find a New Home box. This says that it is Matte and Metal Melted Shadows by Huda Beauty. This is another liquid eyeshadow in the shade Request line. It is dual-ended, so this is the primary color, and then there is a secondary color on that end. This one I am going to hang on to. I'm going to leave it packaged up because I don't want it to dry out. I have too many open as it is. This one, I like the looks of this eyeshadow. But wait, there's more. Oh yes, there is. Get ready for it. Are you ready for it? Are you sure you're ready for it? We do realize that this next item, a palette, has been around since about 2019. That was before I started YouTube and before I realized that there are a lot of eyeshadows out there that I can now use that don't irritate my eyes and my allergies. And I've been wanting this palette, but didn't want to cough up big bucks for it, especially getting so many palettes in subscription boxes, and with enough yammering, it's here. I'm excited. Oh, I'm excited. We now have Mercury Retrograde. Yay! Anne is absolutely in love with these colors. This palette does come with a mirror, so hopefully we're not blinding too many people. I'm in love. I am ecstatic. So for today's eye look, I did dip in and give that palette a try, and this is what I came up with. Oh, I just love these colors. I love these colors. They are fun. I have a feeling this is going to be one of my favorite go-to palettes. And with that being said, I get to do swatches. I am excited. Cue the music. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching. Almost as much as I like shopping. You did good shopping on this one. Yes, I did. So now getting down to some of the nitty-gritty. You mean the pricing? I mean the pricing. So on the website, this bag retails for $80. However, there was a coupon code when we signed on to the website, and I made good use of it. Yes, you did. So because the price of the item was over their threshold, we did not have to pay any shipping. Yay for free shipping. Yay for free shipping. So all in, by the time we did have to pay tax, this was a $73.27 purchase. So I think it was a reasonable amount of money, considering that when I added up all of the prices of the items, this box is valued at $286. That's quite a value. That is a great value. Awesome value. I'm tickled to finally have the Mercury Retrograde palette. I'm thrilled with the Wishful Beauty items for skincare. So this is definitely a banner day. Yes, it is. So again, I am just tickled pink to have this big box bag of items, as well as finally getting my hands on the Mercury Retrograde palette. I know I'm behind the times on that one. Sorry, folks. Just excited. So thank you for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Goodness knows there's more adventures coming. Oh yes, there are. We have more adventures. And we hope to see you again in another video. Check out one that's popping up on the screen now. Oh yes, it's fun. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.